Is that oil?
Yeah, I hope. Oh, let me rotate this. Come on, fucker. Come here.
Come here, look. Look at you. Come here. Oh, yeah, you did.
But this back one, I have no fucking leverage room. Nope, I just wasn't moving fast enough. Can you reach that by chance from there? So basically, just where my thumb is, push it in, but watch out because I'm prying down. There you go. That was you, you got it.
Yeah, no.
So did we just do the back too?
Yeah. Is that oil?
Yeah, I
Damn,
hope.
that sucks. It's like a little dust cloud of oil.
That'll be a cool slow-mo.
Yeah.
One. Okay, so now that we have all 8 lifters installed, it's time to reverse the procedure of the disassembly. So we're gonna see if this made a difference and solved what I believe is a lifter tick and not a knock. Let's find out. Did it fix it, or kind of fix it? What is super? We did lifters this week. Watching. Well, this week I kind of fixed it. We replaced the lifters in Fox body.
Take exit 171 onto Ontario Street and US 420 to Twinston.
This weekend I kind of fixed it. Mary and I just went and saw the Wonder Years. Going to your favorite band's concert is commitment. You're gonna rock out, and you're gonna be standing outside in a long line for a long period of time, and you're gonna be very tired, and you're gonna get home and see your dogs that miss you, and you're gonna be very tired.